What go on again, Unstoppable family? So people, stories we're gonna cover in another video here. The first topic, Shenseea deal with Jada Kingdom. Wicked. Yeah man, Shenseea diss up Jada in a wicked piece of way. See? The second topic, Dexter Daps, they in a Bahamas a perform for the ladies as usual. But Dexter Daps for some reason feel like he must some pop rock star and go jump off and dive off in the crowd. And the crowd just part and Dexter Daps. Yes, I say, yeah, me have them clip the fish one now. Also, you don't know Idonia did it. Meeting a little car accident and thing. Me have a voice note and me also have a video footage of the car accident for now. So those are the topics we are going to touch upon right now.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your very first time to the channel and you don't hit that subscribe button yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you drop a video, you will get the alert. So people, for quite some while we've been hearing some little rumors about Shenseea and Jada Kingdom not really getting along. And it was alleged that the two of them used to be friends growing up before the whole fame and popularity. First, we see where Jada Kingdom did a live stream and Jada Kingdom did start talk about a little bit of things about Shenseea. And we never really hear Shenseea address it until now. Yes, I mean as well, me never hear Shenseea address it until now. I'm going to show you now the little clip where, you know, Jada didn't talk up the thing about Shenseea, and then I'm going to show you now Shenseea response where she style Jada wicked.
It's one artist, Shenseea, me no know her. Me know Shenseea Lee. So Shenseea, whoever is Shenseea, that new person, that manufactured person, that uno support or whatever, I don't know her. I never meet her day in my life. Trust me, like you can ask her if I'm Shenseea, but I say her. But Shenseea Lee, me know her. I thought the girl me did love and rate, and that was my friend. I don't know who Shenseea is. Stop calling up her name to me. Stop calling my name to her. She not in a my way. I'm not in a fair one. My mother still my mother eat. My family I eat. Everybody over my side good. Me good.
Oh, my God. Don't do that. Don't do that.
But they can't tell nothing. Jada can't know we stop calling my name. Jada, you hold big banana too small. Don't crash up big and toss right goes. What's it? Level. They never know the man that's backwards. Put me there backwards. Jada better you know the music straight on the actress. They leave love fear. Or loose from me brain. Bitch ever call me name. Yeah, you upset them say strike force. I go tear down the place. Travis never can't strike when I sit up on him face. Cause me never force it.
Travis! Travis, what up? Travis, what up?
Yo, out a brother there in the end just a deal with Travis, so everything is Travis. Yo, Shenseea deal with Jada away. I'm not gonna tell a lie, people. Yes, I mean I say. And the last part when she said Travis, my boy we are record us, yo, the man a deal with Travis name away. You see, chat to me down in the comment section, let me know what you think. You understand? Now people, moving right along from Shenseea and Jada, let's take a look at Dexter Daps in a Bahamas. As me said, the man feel like he must some rock star, but him gonna dive off in the crowd, and the crowd separate from Dexter. John was star. What did I go through Dexter Daps' mind? You understand? But look how the man run back and drop on him, and yo, me know say Dexter Daps a nurse that night man in ya. You understand the pain? But me know say while him in act, probably the adrenaline make him not really feel say him drop on him and R because him in a so much crowd of people. Dexter Daps have to play it off like him not really feel that, but it's a serious job that the man get on him, and you know, yes, what me I say, but don't get me wrong, even though the crowd part, you know, when Dexter jump in at the crowd, the girl them hold up on Dexter same way, you know, cause even when the police them forward and I try pull back Dexter on the stage, people, the girl them nah leg off of Dexter, so the police them coulda get him back on the stage. John was star. little more serious topic. You see me I say, Idonia, yes, Dididonia meet in a little car accident, but I know nothing serious. Idonia wasn't injured or anything like that. No rumors of it that the person who hit Donia car, he was in the wrong, and Idonia, allegedly, Idonia entourage take it out upon the brother, you understand? From a voice note where we hear circulating that the brother is actually hospitalized right now. Let's take a listen.
When I come, when I left the signal going out of stadium last night and I come up and don't live right at Beverly Hills, so my ton going off in me and my Virgin PD I come out on the outside, I overtake the line of traffic, I come up and don't turn out on him, well not even turn out on him, like don't just turn going off in me and through my Virgin I overtake, everybody just end up over there, so dog, and man them come out down your entourage, drag out PD out of the blood clot helix and broke up the whole of him finger them dog. Well no, 3 finger them broke up and bust up him face, hospital man the dog.
Now we just hope that the brother actually alright, you understand what I say? And you don't know, hopefully there are no charges pressed against Idonia or anything. Because after all, you don't know the thing already. You know, the artist not really always have to do nothing, you know. It can just be one atted man or a couple atted man in the entourage really account, you understand? Now as we say, we don't know how valid this voice note actually is, so we are not confirming that this is true or lie, neither. That's what I say. Now let's take a look at the actual, you know, fender bender. As me say, it's nothing serious. See? Let's take a look at that.
No. I come easy, my car, it's where I'm from.
Alright then viewers, there you have it right there. This has been another quick and spicy update from Unstoppable TV. As you know already, we jump to the point. We not bother waste time with a long talking. Watch on man, chat to me down in the comment section. Make we know what you think about Jada and Shenseea. Make we know what you think about Dexter that's chucking off in the crowd. You see me I say, also chat to me down in the comment section about Idonia situation. Watch on man, like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. It's Unstoppable TV. No matter what. Don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.